So, how do these 5 densities fit into the larger cosmic architecture? Imagine them as nested spheres of reality within a grand 15-dimensional matrix. Our familiar 3 spatial dimensions, length, width, height, and the 1 dimension of time are just the stage for the 3rd density. The other densities utilize different dimensions to structure their reality. This multi-dimensional framework allows for an incredible diversity of life and consciousness to exist simultaneously, each in its own vibrational space, yet all part of one unified whole. It is like a grand cosmic apartment building with many floors, each with its own unique inhabitants and rules, but all contained within the same structure. This perspective offers a profound recontextualization of our place in the universe. We are not merely a brief accidental flicker of life on a lonely planet. We are part of a vast, multi-layered evolutionary journey. The universe is not a cold, empty void punctuated by random stars. It is a living, conscious entity, constantly creating and experiencing itself through beings like us. Understanding these different densities allows us to see our own lives as part of a much larger story. A story of consciousness moving from simple awareness in a rock to instinct in a plant, to self-awareness in a human, and onward to the collective love and unified wisdom of the higher realms. This model also provides a framework for understanding some of science's greatest mysteries. Phenomena like dark matter and dark energy, which make up the vast majority of the universe but remain invisible to us, could be manifestations of matter and energy existing in these other densities, just beyond our perceptual reach. The quantum limit identified by science, which prevents objects from being defined at the smallest scales, could be the boundary where 3rd density physical laws break down and the rules of a higher density reality take over. These ideas do not contradict science. They offer a philosophical lens through which to interpret its findings, inviting us to look beyond the data and ask, what if? Ultimately, exploring the concept of a 5-density universe is an exercise in expanding our imagination. It encourages us to see the cosmos not as a machine, but as a living, breathing being on a journey of self-discovery. It reminds us that there is always more to learn, more to experience, and more to become. Whether this model is a literal description of reality or a powerful metaphor, its value lies in its ability to inspire awe and wonder. It invites us to look up at the night sky, at our sun, and at each other, and see not just matter, but a magnificent multi-layered story of consciousness unfolding across the cosmos. And we are all a vital part of that story.